Hello guys, I am IK and you are watching my channel Encapsulate by IK. So if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get an updated notification. Please do like and comment so that we can receive your feedback. So today we are unboxing another sneaker, Nike Air Force 1. So you can see it's a Nike Air Force 107 LV8 Sport Edition in white and black color. So you can see the details, the Nike logo, Nike Air, and the complete details on the back of the box. So let's unbox. So you can see it's an NBA Sports Pack White Edition. A very beautiful looking Air Force 1 in white leather. On a closer look, you can see it's a white textured material. A very beautiful white and black pattern you can see at the bottom across the shoes. Here you can see a black Nike tick and a material called lenticular material. So you may have seen the lenticular images which on changing the direction from top to bottom or left to right change its pattern or change the images. So it's almost the same material that they have used on this Nike logo. So it's a lenticular material. A very nice jet black laces. So from inside you can see they have used textile material on the inner, plus again textile from the inside sole. If you see at the back, here you will see a lenticular image, so if you move from left to right or right to left, will change its pattern or an image of a basketball NBA player from AF1, Air Force 1 logo. A very beautiful lenticular image pattern. Nice rubber sole. A Nike logo at the bottom. So a very beautiful Nike Air Force 1. So you can wear it casually on the jeans, or you can also wear them on shorts in the summer season. So very beautiful, very attractive Nike Air Force 1. Let's have a closer look. So that's it, guys. So thank you for watching our today's unboxing and the review of Nike Air Force 1 NBA Sports Pack White Edition. Hope you like this video. So please do like and provide your comments so that we can receive your feedback. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.